Hey guys, welcome back to Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing. Today we will be doing this two-story property. Maybe you might remember that property a couple of weeks ago. Took care of them. Now today we're taking care of her right over here. Front of the house is really bad. HOA is, you know guys, you guys know how HOA it is. Sorry to be too close. The other house is really close right behind my back. This side is okay, but once you get close to it, you will be able to see right in between the gaps. There's the moldy. See right over here. All the way up is just like that, all the way to the top. Right in between, see how bad it is. We are also going to try to take out this rust stain, which is coming from that furnace up there. Okay, of a house. The only little challenge will be that, but nothing is a challenge. Everything is possible. Alright guys, this is one of the other spots. See how it looks. Alright, Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing. I should be posting one up right after this one for the after. Let me call it the aftermath. Alright, Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing, guys. Thank you. Hey guys, remember this house? Brand new, customer's more than happy. I'm gonna give it a quick wash because she's coming into the driveway right now. You can see the whole house is back. She's very, very pleased. We're talking about church. Hopefully that's an upcoming church to wash. She was mainly surprised about the rust to be gone. But it's no job too tough. We always take care of it for the customers, get them happy. You gotta go above and beyond. The glass is back. The frame around the door is back. You just gotta use the right chemicals. Not to harm anything, but just to remove. Alright guys, that's another job done by Solution Landscape and Pressure Washing. Just give us a call on 919-637-1664. Thank you.